streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritika, and today I'm gonna create a black glittery smoky eye. And yeah, before we move on, I would love if you subscribe. It would be very lovely. And if you want to know, of course, how I created this look, keep on watching. I'm gonna start off with the moisturizer, and you know the moisturizer is of course from the Ponds. It's the Super Light Gel Moisturizer, and it's an absolute new tub. So I'm gonna start off with this. Now for the primer, I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Okay, now for the foundation, I'm using these two foundation. One is from Nykaa, it's the Skin Genius foundation in the shade 02, and this one is the NYX Total Drop Control foundation in the shade Natural. I'm gonna mix them together. To blend my foundation, I'm using this blender, beauty blender from Blue Heaven. Okay, now for the concealer, I'm using these two concealer. Both of them are from Maybelline, the Fit Me range. This is the Fit Me Light. No, this is the Fit Me Medium one, and this is the Fit Me Light one. So first I'm going to use the medium color to dark my hide circle, to hide my dark circles, and then I'm going to use the light one to brighten up my eyes, under eyes. And the brush is from Nykaa. The concealer brush is from Nykaa.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect.
So now I'm gonna let my concealer sit there for a while, and for the face, to set my face, I'm using this compact powder from Fit Me, from Maybelline Fit Me, and the brush is this one. The compact is in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So dusting off the excess and.
Streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time.
Now to set my under eyes, and not just to set my under eyes, I'm using this loose powder from Maybelline again, the Fit Me range. I'm using the same beauty blender, and I'm just gonna dip in my powder. Just gonna set my. And now for the eyes, I'm gonna use this palette. It's from Tan Beauty. It's called This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette. What's new? This is my most favorite eyeshadow palette. I use this all the time, and I hit the pan on this shade. I'm gonna hit the pan on that shade also, and I'm gonna hit the pan on almost many shades. So yeah. So for the smoky eye, black smoky eye, it's a glitter black smoky eye. So this eye look I actually have worn in my previous video. You can obviously check that out. It's a very interesting video, and it's a very special video, and it's a very beautiful video. Go check that out. But first I'm gonna first I'm gonna use this shade. This is the shade Workaholic on my this brush. It's a fluffy blending brush from Amazon, again the nameless one. You can use any blending brush actually, which is a little bit dense and little more fluffy, and you can see how it looks, and this is how the shade looks. So I'm just going to take the shade Dust of the Axis and I'm gonna put this all over my crease. This eye look is very simple, not tricky at all. Anyone can create this eye look. You just need 3 shades, obviously 2 the matte ones and 1 the glitter one, and it is the most simplest and simple eye smoky eye look you can ever watch, I guess. I'm not claiming that, but yes, I guess. Now I'm taking this coal shade, which is the blackest black and which is one of the most beautiful shade also. This is the coal one, the black one, and I'm taking it on my this brush. It's the not Savannah, it's the Zoeva shader smoky shader brush, and this is how the brush looks. I'm gonna blend the black shade, and for that I'm using this Zoeva crease brush, and it is dirty because I have used it before, so of course it is going to be dirty. And this is how the brush looks. It's a thin blending brush, not that thin but thin. And, basically it's a crease brush, so I'm gonna blend the black shade. I'm just cleaning the edges and just softening up everything with this brush. It's the Zoeva soft definer brush, and this is how it looks. It's a very gandhi halat mein ujada hua brush kind of a brush. Just softening up the edges and just defining. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the same shade Workaholic on the same brush and dust off the excess, of course, and I'm just pinching up my brush, and I'm just doing like this. The lower lash line and now for the upper lash line, I'm sorry for that, I'm really sorry for that, but for that I'm using for my lower lash line and for my upper lash line I'm getting very distracted, but I'm using this kohl pencil. It's from Nykaa. It's the IM27 kajal. So this is how it looks. It's in the shade black, I guess. It's a very scary process. So for my lower lash line, I'm using the same shade kohl on my Zoeva pencil brush, and this is how the brush looks. I'm just taking it, dusting off the excess again, and I'm gonna go underneath my line. Now what I'm doing is I'm just connecting the two lines together, the upper one and the lower one. For the glitter part, I'm taking this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade 06 Molten Midnight, and this is how the eyeshadow looks. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the eyeshadow on the back of my hand. Here it is. Now I'm using the same brush which I have used to apply my eyeshadow on my lid. I'm gonna use the same smoky shader brush, and I'm gonna use the clean side of it, I mean the other side of it, and I'm just taking this shade on that side, and I'm gonna just put it on my lid.
to protect your soul. I'm walking.
So now I'm gonna do my left eye. I'm gonna do my left eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is our eye is almost complete, just some cleanup. So I'm for cleaning up the edge, I'm using this Garnier Micellar water and this Q-tip. It's from Miniso, it's the pointed one, and I'm just gonna clean the end of it and make it sharp. Yeah.
Trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Okay, now I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with the same shade, the I don't know, midnight black something, Molten Midnight 06. I'm gonna highlight it with this brush. It's the Zoeva Spot Liner brush. Okay, we'll see the rest of the eyes later. Now for the eyebrows, I'm using this Miss Claire eyebrow cake, and I'm gonna use this black shade here on my Faces Canada eyebrow brush. And first, I'm gonna comb the eyebrows with the spoolie.
Up in the sky. I need you to listen. I need you to hear. And don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around.
Okay, now for my face, I'm using this NYX bronzer. It's in the shade medium, and I'm using this Zoeva face curve brush. And I'm gonna take this bronzer on the one side of my brush, and I'm gonna dust off the excess.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the
I'm gonna take the clean side of the brush, and I'm just gonna blend that in. Now for my blush, I'm using this blush from LA Color. It's the Red Rouge blush, and this is how it looks. It's in the shade As If, and the brush is from Amazon, again a nameless brush. And I'm just going to take my brush, dust off the excess. Now for the highlight, I'm using the same palette and eyeshadow palette. I'm using the shade Highlight on my nameless brush, of course, from Amazon, and it's a very beautiful highlighter. Okay, it's not showing up. Yep.
trying to protect your soul.
And now let's finish off the eyes. Now I'm gonna use this eyelash color from Shein, which is of course banned, and I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes.
Only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
For my eyelashes, I'm using this mascara. It's the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara, one of my most favorite mascara. And yep.
To Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
For the lipstick, I'm using this lipstick. It's the Maybelline Creamy Matte lipstick in the shade 657 Nude Nuance, and this is how the shade looks. I'm gonna apply it.
Feel
our makeup is done. I hope you like it, and of course you can go with all matte, just skip the glitter part of it, and it will become the matte smoky eye, black matte smoky eye. So yeah, thanks for watching. I see you next time. Bye.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your